Good morning. We are so happy that you're here. We daily vlog, so if you like this video, we hope that you will come back again and again. Today is a very big day. It's our first steps in moving forward with another embryo transfer, which is so wild. Have two little babies. I mean, they're pretty. They're big kids. In the back seat while Peter goes in and does his blood work, and then I'll pop in and I have an internal ultrasound just to check out how everything is looking, and then I will also have blood work. And so yeah, it's a big deal. I have my new lucky dress on. If you've been around long enough, you'll know I had a lucky dress when we did IVF. So I mean, this is just the intro, but if you have any questions, let us know. In this instance, we don't have to do like stimulating medication. I'm not having eggs retrieved, like all of that. We have our embryos already from in vitro fertilization. Now we just have the opportunity to transfer them and to see if any of our sweet embryos that have been frozen, that were frozen with James, will be joining our family. It's exciting. So that's where we are in our infertility journey. And yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. I'm strangely, I think all of the birthday fun, like I haven't really been thinking about it. And now that we're here, I'm like, holy smokes, we're doing this again. If you want some melody, just let me know. Okay, now it's my turn.
You know what this means? A visit to CRM.
Funny enough, like people eat McDonald's French fries after their embryo transfers because like chemically it helps the baby stick, but I didn't have an embryo transfer today.
It helps the
yes.
baby stick.
Everything looked good. We won't get our blood work back, you know. Some of it's done in-house, some of it's not. So we'll have updates on that soon. My ultrasound went great, just textbook. It is like, we do have to wait until I'm having a procedure done next week. That's an HSG, which is to make sure that my tubes are clear, which in the past, one of them hasn't been, so we'll see if that's still the case. And then a hysteroscopy, which is just to make sure everything on the inside of my uterus looks good after, especially after giving birth a year ago, but they just want to make sure it's nice and ready for a transfer. Take a bite, babe. Dip, dip, dip. So we'll have like a consultation after everything to go over everything, but this was the first step. Jamesy, can you show me your aerial toy? You got this from
you
his.
figured it out.
Yeah, from his Happy Meal. Pretty lucky to get Ariel.
6.5 hours later.
Dance, dance, dance. Ooh, dance, dance, dance. The end.
Tonight's dinner is sponsored by Publix Chicken. Also sponsored by Kinder's BBQ sauce, honey ham, honey hot and roasted garlic BBQ.
Do I look?
You look great. What?
He's very passionate about fish. I never realized Allison Janney was the voice of Peach.
You didn't? Allie's great. Do you want to try to dip it?
We are leaving for Chicago this weekend, and so Peter went and got like stuff for 3 nights worth of dinners, and
three lunches and 3 breakfasts.
So responsible.
Oh, great.
Especially after our celebration of a weekend we just had.
It's Birthday Palooza.
Birthday Palooza.
Friends, Ted Lasso has me messed up. So Sarah and I watched last week's episode tonight, and then we weren't supposed to watch the episode that comes out technically Wednesday, but it comes out like a late Tuesday night. We weren't supposed to watch it as a joke. I started it, and it was such a good episode. Like, it just like every minute kept bringing us in deeper and deeper into the episode, and then we eventually just watched the whole thing. So we were not productive today when we were supposed to be. Sarah did not get to editing tonight, and she planned on it. Tomorrow we have a busy day between my work, Teddy's 1-year doctor's appointment with our pediatrician that we used to go to in Winter Park that we're gonna try to keep here. And then we currently have plans to go to the theme parks with some friends. Definitely not a night to be not productive, but Sarah and I haven't had like some nice couch time just hanging out us two watching a really good show. So that was awesome. We also like going to Chicago on Saturday. I don't know why I said it so weird just now. Get ready for a crazy couple days, I suppose. It's good to be home.
Are you ready for your 1-year-old checkup? Let's go. Me and Jamesy have had quite the Christmas movie marathon today. We are officially packing for Chicago for next week. You can see stacks of laundry up on the island. And that's what I've been doing basically since me and Teddy got back. His appointment went great. We do have a follow-up like cardiologist appointment to get situated for the fall. They just wanted to follow up after we found that like small heart murmur last year. So that's really the only notable thing. He is just thriving, that little Teddy. He did get some vaccines. He's taking a snooze now. Like I said, we've been watching Christmas movies. We started with Belle's Enchanted Christmas, watched The Grinch, just like on in the background. Now we're gonna chill and watch Polar Express. I'm gonna be productive here and there before we go to EPCOT tonight, which will probably be our last night in the parks before our trip, because we'll really have to like rally the next 2 nights to prepare, to feel good, because we like to return to a clean house. Eve is actually staying here, and our friends that are gonna be watching her might stay here. They're definitely gonna be spending time here, so we just want it to be in good shape. And so yeah, that's what we'll need like the next 2 nights to get situated and feel good.
Okay.
So we're gonna be on the phones tonight because it's supposed to rain all night. We don't really care with the camera. We're meeting up with Chelsea, Cole, Kristen, and John.
Yep.
At EPCOT.
And it's our last Disney day before we go to Chicago.
Yeah. Halloween Horror Nights just tweeted hee.
I wonder if they're gonna start selling frequent fear passes, and I will need to get one. All right, this is Cole's first time back in Disney World since March 2020. He's back being an annual pass holder, so we're celebrating. We're hanging out, and Teddy does not want to be in his seat.
No, that's not the one you have to be wearing.
I think they do have to both.
No.
Never mind. He's not worthy.
Thanos lifted it off of his chest.
Oh, okay.
He's still worthy.
He fact checked me.
Okay, you're worthy.
All right, we've got an awake Jamesy. I did lift him up to hopefully entice him to wake up from his nap because Remy's only like 30 minutes. And look, no more barges.
Quack, quack, quack.
Meow, meow, meow.
You are so much to see, so much to do when you're a 1-year-old. Oh, use your head. Sure, that's a good idea. Had a little egg roll action.
When in doubt, egg roll it out. right, next up on the list, I'm in my feels because we're not going to be here for a week and a half. So we got the warm toasted pretzel bread from the booth next to Germany. I just love World Showcase in a little Seattle vibe. And I have no children right now. John has Teddy doing something, and Sarah took James to go see the trains.
Where are you, trains? Trains are not out because of the rain. Or at least that's what I assume.
The rain has stopped, but the fun is beginning.
You did it!
Oh, it's Lumiere and Cogsworth. How wonderful! James is checking out all the theatrical displays here at the Beauty and the Beast showing. This is about French storytelling. Maybe the doors are closing or opening in 12 minutes. All right, we're gonna do something wild, and we're gonna go on standby for Remy's. I think some of these people have never been. It just doesn't get better than this here fountain, especially at nighttime. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Oh my gosh, I've not been in this queue in over 2.5 years. It's been about 2 years. All right, we've been in line about 20 minutes. And we're right there. No way it's 40 minutes. Wow. 3, 4, and 5. We did it! It was only 20 minutes. It's nothing.
Oh my gosh, I've never been on this before.
I've only been on it like once before.
Our first timers. Woo! First timers.
All right, we're 2 minutes from showtime. Thank you. Got a little fire action. A little great view.
As you can plainly see, imagination works best when it's set free.
Wow. Sarah's holding a sleeping Teddy.
Extra tired.
He was
Look
dancing.
at those eyes.
Oh gosh. Yeah, that's a knocked out Teddy.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna dilly dally. We're gonna head back to our car and head home.
Yeah, it was a great night. It was lovely. I'm so I've been meaning to like get us on Ratatouille for so long.
Yes.
And the line is just like always just a little too long tonight feels perfect.
20 minutes. I have to reevaluate that ride and where it is in my list
Yeah.
because of how good that ride was.
Yeah, it's great.
Like probably top 5.
Of all rides?
Top 7. Top 7 of all rides. I really enjoyed it.
I know. And I love the little surprises.
We're here to say it was a great night.
And everyone's going. You brushing your teeth? It's good to be home. Cheers.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.